welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how you can convert any word into different languages using your Android device or your iPhone. So let's get started. So all you need to do, I'm going to open my Google photo and I'm going to pick any of the photos here and I'm going to convert it into any of the language. So I'm going to choose this. As you can see, this is just one of the verses. This is a JPEG and is one of the verses from the chapter from the Bible. So if you want to convert it into any language, first of all you will click on the lens and you wait for some time after that, and then you are going to click on translate. As you can see here, we have variety of languages. English to Kiswahili. At first it was in English and then now it is in Kiswahili. So if I want to change, let's say from, for example, into Italian, I can click Italian, that is in Italian. And as you can see, Google has so variety of languages that you can choose from. So this is amazing, guys, because if you want even to learn any of the language, you can just use your Google app to do all these kinds of things. Even if it is in French, if I click in French like that, and even if you want to listen, you can tap on the listen button like this and you can
Que l'amour et la fidélité ne vous quittent jamais. Attache-les autour de ton cou, écris-les sur la tablette de ton cœur. Alors vous gagnerez la faveur et une bonne renommée aux yeux de Dieu et des hommes. Proverbe 3 sur 3-4.
That is all, guys. So this is how you can convert English to any of the languages using your phone and using Google app. So thank you, guys. See you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you so much.